Topographical surveyors in Rohini play a crucial role in the development and construction industry. The data collected by these surveyors is used by architects, engineers, and developers to design and plan various projects. Rohini, being a rapidly developing area in Delhi, requires the expertise of topographical surveyors to ensure that land is used efficiently and that construction projects are carried out smoothly. Topographical surveyors in Rohini are equipped with the knowledge and skills to accurately measure and map the terrain, elevation, and existing structures on a particular plot of land. They use advanced surveying equipment such as total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners to gather precise data. This data is then processed and analyzed to create detailed topographic maps that show the contours, slopes, and other features of the land. These maps are essential for understanding the physical characteristics of a site, which helps in making informed decisions during the design and planning stages of a project. The information provided by topographical surveyors in Rohini is invaluable for architects and engineers involved in the design of buildings and infrastructure. By understanding the topography of a site, they can design structures that are in harmony with the natural environment. For example, the knowledge of slopes and drainage patterns can be used to design buildings that are structurally sound and resistant to flooding. Additionally, topographic data allows designers to plan road networks, utilities, and other infrastructure in a way that optimizes land use and minimizes environmental impact. SCON Design is a leading firm of topographical surveyors in Rohini that has been serving clients in the construction industry for many years. They have a team of highly skilled surveyors who are experienced in conducting topographical surveys for a wide range of projects. In Rohini, geographical surveyors are essential to the development and building sectors. Architects, engineers, and developers use the information gathered by these surveyors to build and plan various projects. Since Rohini is a part of Delhi that is rapidly developing, topographical surveyors are needed to make sure that land is used effectively and that construction projects are completed without incident. The knowledge and expertise necessary to precisely measure and map the topography, elevation, and existing structures on a specific piece of land are available to topographical surveyors in Rohini. To collect exact data, they make use of cutting-edge surveying tools like total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners. It is then used to make detailed topographic maps that display the contours, slopes, and other topographic